This is Philip Spinrath, your county judge here in Wharton County. Today I'm joining you with a couple of your other community leaders to provide an update on the current COVID-19 crisis and to urge each of you to continue maintaining responsible social distancing and to urge you to wear a face covering whenever gathering in large crowds or whenever social distancing isn't possible. Wharton County is experiencing an alarming surge in COVID-19 positive cases. And in fact, in the past month, we've more than quadrupled our count. Back on May the 27th, we had 44 positives. Today, we have 185. The lion's share of these new cases can be traced to local residents who are traveling out of county and then bringing the virus back home. The latest state statistics reveal that Wharton County's positive cases are becoming more scattered throughout our region rather than the relational clusters that we first saw back in April and May, when in those times we could trace many of our cases to a family member who either worked in the healthcare industry or possibly was connected to a nursing home or was traveling out of county for work. And as I said, brought the virus back home. We were able to group most of our cases into family relations. That's not the case today. But regardless of the contact source, the outbreak of what we call community spread cases, those cases that are unrelated, necessitates that all county residents act responsibly, practice good personal hygiene, and adhere to recommended CDC distancing guidelines. Now, let me be clear. I strongly believe face masks should be worn in public when responsible social distancing cannot be maintained. Face masks can definitely be game changers.
Hi, I'm Marvin Hullop, Mayor of East Bernard. East Bernard is facing a spike in COVID-19 cases that we are asking for your help in slowing the spread. We know it can be challenging staying at home, but the sooner we stay put and social distance, the sooner we can stop the spread and return to the activities we enjoy and those we love. I am asking you today to please follow the guidelines. Wear the mask and only go out if you need to. We must take action now to keep East Bernard strong. God bless. Thank you.
I'm Tim Barker, the Wharton City Mayor. I'm asking everyone to take steps to help slow down the spread of the coronavirus and avoid further infections. Each one of us has the power to limit the spread by taking personal responsibilities, which include frequent and effective hand washing, social distancing, and wearing facial covering when appropriate. I would also encourage every business owner to use their discretion and put control measures in place that strongly encourage patrons and employees to wear facial covers and maintain a 6-foot distancing. Currently, we are trusting and encouraging the public to take personal responsibility to help contain and stop this virus. We need your help to get the city past this pandemic. Only through your actions will we be able to safeguard the health of your family and fellow citizens. Your continued diligence in these stressful times is necessary to slow down the spread of this disease. Thank you.
Hi, this is Randy Collins, Mayor of the City of El Campo, Texas. At last night's special called meeting, City Council passed an order to require businesses to require customers to wear masks inside along with the employees of that business. This order was passed in basically trying to assure the public that we're doing everything possible to prevent the spread of the COVID virus. Unfortunately, the virus has increased in the numbers in the city of El Campo, and your city officials are very concerned about what's happening with those numbers constantly going up. What we've done is ask that businesses request customers when they come in to put a mask on, wear a mask while in their business, and social distance the time that they're in their business. It does not imply that you have to wear a mask everywhere you go or even outside or anything. We're just asking that you social distance, you wear a mask when you're shopping, and that you be kind and considerate for other people, especially the older people that are in this community, since they're more susceptible to this disease. we want to rescind this motion or order as soon as we can. It's on the agenda to be looked at our next meeting, which is July 13th. But we will have to look at it at that time and check the number of cases and then make a decision. But we do have the best interest of the city of El Campo constituents in mind. We all are wanting to make sure that we fight this virus, continue to keep the numbers down, and hopefully this thing will eventually go away. Hopefully this order will prevent the closing again of non-essential businesses. That's our goal. We don't want to have the economy affected by the closing again. I think that would definitely be a detriment to this community.
Wharton County residents must continue to think and act responsibly. We need to consider what is best for our family, friends, and community. You are your own best advocate to staying healthy. Give others space. Wash your hands and do not touch everything. Wear a mask if you're going to be in a large crowd or in close proximity to others. If you do not want to go into a store that doesn't require masks, don't go in. You know your health condition. If you have underlying conditions, stay home as much as possible and definitely avoid the big city crowds. Above all, help others stay safe. In closing, please continue to support our local businesses and store owners as they continue to suffer tremendous financial hardship throughout this crisis. As we approach the July 4th weekend, I urge each of you to gather your families outside and celebrate our wonderful nation. While our America may not be perfect, it is without question the greatest place on earth to live and raise a family. Stay safe, and God bless America.